Coming by the start-finish line, the white flag flies. Jamie McMurray, just over a half a mile to go before he gets his first ever Craftsman Truck Series win. Ultra Motorsports has led 126 laps between Jamie McMurray and Ted Musgrave. Musgrave led 101 laps of this race, and Jamie McMurray wins the Kroger 200.
That 72 car is quick.
Yep, here he comes on the bottom.
He's getting some momentum on the outside.
White flag. Man, last chance, folks.
Boy, this is going to get mighty close. Come on, Mikey.
Benson's got one chance now, Mike. He's going down into turn 3. He's got one chance, and that's to get on the bottom side.
They're going to be 3 wide.
Going up top. He's got the room. Wallace thought he was coming for the bottom. They are 3 wide. Down to the line. Contact. And Bodine wins it.
Is that a race or is that a race?
All right. When Mike Wallace and Johnny Benson banged each other all the way to the flag, it took just enough momentum off them. The Todd Bodine pulled a Ronnie Bouchard and snookered him to the flag.
Side by side, 1 to go. I think Blaney drove that thing in just a little bit too deep, Kyle. Hanging with them, though.
He is giving it all he has right now. This is great racing right here, man.
Right there. Now he's see if he can hold that line through 3 and 4.
What a great run by Blaney, man.
Has never won in the Busch Series. It's going to lose a little bit here, but if
he's got it.
Kenseth
He's got it. Kenseth gets loose.
Around. Blaney.
Oh.
Back it down, baby. You're the best.
Dave Blaney wins a wacky race at Charlotte.
White flag and 1 to go.
One more lap.
Dennis Setzer.
I kind of think you'll see Dennis win a few more races, Bob Keselowski.
Ooh.
So far.
Compton. Through 1. On Sprague and turned him in turn 2.
Or are they going to make a dive on the outside in the final lap? That's not going to work. Just can't get the grip.
It's a win.
Setzer wins it. Good for him.
It's a win for Dodge.
Miller's going to try the high side. Can you believe it? With the little 6-cylinder, Miller tries nothing there. No chance whatsoever against that powerful V8.
And the white flag is out. Needs a half a lap to go.
Butch Miller in second. Larry Pearson is in third. But lap traffic there really helps out Bodine's cause.
Yes, it does, because it takes away a lane.
Checker flag coming up. Here they come off of turn number 4. Checker flag is out, and Bodine has it. Brett Bodine has won his second late model sportsman race of the 1985 season. And there is Butch Miller pulling up alongside and waving the finger at Brett Bodine, saying, hey, I was close. It was a good race.